Hello, it's Ms. Edwards, and welcome to the video solution for 1.1 problem solving for the lesson Understanding Algebra. This one is called Movie Night. A group of friends goes to the movies. Each movie ticket costs $12, and they spend $8 total on snacks. They want to figure out how much the movie night will cost depending on how many friends go. Every time we do problem solving, we're going to follow the same format of first we're going to understand the problem, then we're going to plan out the problem, then we're going to solve it, and last we're going to explain it. So let's start with understanding. And if you have a highlighter, that would be a great time to grab it. You can pause and grab a highlighter. So, and again, we're going over your answers. You should have done this already, but if you did not have something that I have, go ahead and add it, okay? So the first thing we want to highlight, the information being given in the problem, is that each movie ticket costs $12. That's important. The other thing that they're spending money on is snacks, so let's go ahead and highlight that as well. Okay, so what information is given? That each ticket is $12 and the snacks total are $8. Okay, what amount can change in this situation? Well, if the amount of friends, it says we want to figure out how much the movie night will cost depending on how many friends go, that's what's changing. How many friends are going? How many movie tickets are they buying? So the amount that can change is how many movie tickets or how many friends are going. I'm going to put how many movie tickets are purchased. You can have something along the lines of that. How many movie tickets are they buying? How many friends are going, etc. All right, let's plan it now. Let T represent the number of movie tickets purchased. Write an expression that represents the total cost of T movie tickets plus the snacks. So again, see what's changing is the movie tickets. We're going to let that be T, all right? So we know that each ticket is $12. So each one means we're multiplying. We're going to multiply $12 times T, the number of tickets. So our first thing is 12T, okay? That's representing how much money we're spending on tickets, okay? Now it's the snacks, they're $8. So that's going to be plus 8. Remember that snacks total is $8, not per person. Okay, so this represents $12, the movie ticket, times the number of people, plus the money they're spending on snacks. Now let's identify the parts of the expression. So the variable is T. That's the thing that's that's changing, right? We don't know how many people are going or how many tickets they're buying. The constant is the number alone, so it's going to be 8. That number is alone because they're spending $8 on snacks no matter what. And the coefficient, the number in front of the variable, is 12. That's representing that each movie ticket costs $12. We're multiplying 12 times the number of tickets plus the price of the snacks. All right, let's now solve. If 3 friends go to the movies, how much will the movie night cost altogether? Use your expression and show your work. So let's start with writing our expression again, which is 12T plus 8. And if 3 friends, now we haven't gotten to this, it's going to be the next lesson, substitution, but basically we are just replacing the number of tickets with now the value that we know. We didn't know it before. We didn't know how many friends were going. Now we know it's 3. So we're just going to replace T with 3 and bring everything else down. So it's now 12 times 3 plus 8. And now we just use our order of operations. 12 times 3 is 36 plus 8. And then 36 plus 8 is 44. Remember with order of operations, we do multiplying first, then we do the adding. So let's put that in a box, $44. And now let's go to explain. What does the number 12 represent in your expression? 12 represents the cost of the movie ticket. And the 8 is the cost of snacks. Okay, however you wrote that, it could be something, just along the lines of this, that 12 represents the cost of the movie ticket, and the 8 is representing or is the cost of the snacks. So now we're going to write our final answer for 3 friends in a complete sentence. So what you do is you kind of just change the question into a statement. So instead of saying, you basically take all the words. The question word is how much, so we're going to take the question word out, right? That's what it means to restate the question as a statement. So we're going to say, if 3 friends go to the movies, all we're doing is taking the words from the question. If 3 friends go to the movies, so instead of, we're going to take out how much, we're not going to put the question word. We're going to say it will cost. Just take out the question words. It will cost. We're taking out movie night too. So it will cost $44 altogether. Or we can just even say it will cost $44 and bam, we're done. That is a complete sentence. Okay? All right. So you're going to go ahead and get ready for the quiz now, lesson quiz, Understanding Algebra. If you have any questions at all, now is the time to come and ask. Otherwise, good luck on your quiz, and I will see you soon. Bye.